the instructions were. So these are the words that I gave you during the previous lesson. You are supposed to practice reading them. And remember, there are words that have sound V. So I want us to read the words together for us to know if we read them in the correct way or you didn't read the word correctly. So I'll start reading the words, then later you will read it together with me. So I'll start with the very first one. Make sure that you are looking at the word. I'm going to point using a pointer. So the very first word, we have the word vowel. Vowel. Then visitor. Visitor. Travel. Travel. Heavy. Heavy. Village. Village. Brave. Brave. Save. Save. Shave. Shave. Gloves. Gloves. Vary. Vary. Vain. Vain. Driver. Driver. I'm going to read the words one more time. Look at the word as I point. The first one, vowel. Vowel. Visitor. Visitor. Travel. Travel. Heavy. Heavy. Village. Village. Brave. Brave. Save. Save. Shave. Shave. Gloves. Gloves. Vary. Vary. Vain. Vain. Driver. Driver. So this is how you are supposed to read the words that I gave. Now I'm going to read the words one more time, then you'll be reading after me. You read after me after each word, from the first one to the last one. And when you are reading, make sure that you are pointing at that particular word. It is always good. You'll be able to know the word and how it is read. So as you read, make sure that you are pointing at what you are reading. Now I want you to observe on the board. You read after me and you repeat after each word. So the very first word, vowel. Vowel. Visitor. Visitor. Travel. Travel. Heavy. Heavy. Village. Village. Brave. Brave. Save. Save. Shave. Shave. Gloves. Gloves. Vary. Vary. Vain. Vain. Lastly, driver. Driver. So that's how you are supposed to read the words. Hope that if there is any word you aren't able to read, you've now known how you are supposed to go about it. So I'm going to give you more examples on words that have sound V. And remember, words that have sound V, it can either be at the beginning of the word or in the middle of the word.